How to turn on guardian mode on WeChat in 2025. First of all, launch the WeChat app on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account for which you want to enable guardian mode. Tap the Me tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, select Settings to access the main configuration option. Inside the Settings menu, look for the tab on Guardian Mode. Guardian Mode certain features will be restricted under Guardian Mode, but Guardian can adjust some of these restrictions. Accept the WeChat Guardian Mode features term of your usage. Tap on Enable. You might be required to set up a PIN or authorize a Guardian account to manage certain activities depending on the purpose of the features. Once Guardian mode is enabled, you can customize settings such as restricted features, monitor activities or usage limit to fit the needs of the user. Save the settings and exit. Guardian mode is now activated and the account will operate under the restriction or control you have set. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.